Welcome to your very first step into the Linux terminal, and don't worry, we're going to take this slowly together. Picture Sarah sitting in front of a black screen with just a blinking cursor, wondering where on earth she even is in her computer. That feeling? Every single Linux user has had it. The good news is there's a tiny three-letter command called pwd, short for Print Working Directory, that answers that question instantly, and it's completely safe to use anytime, anywhere. So here's what's really going on whenever you're in the terminal. Your computer is always standing inside some folder, but unlike a regular file browser, it never shows you which one. It's invisible, and that's exactly why people feel lost. Think of it like being dropped in an unfamiliar city with no street signs. pwd is your Google Maps blue dot. 3 letters, press Enter, and the terminal tells you the full path of where you are right now. Anytime you feel disoriented, that's your move. All right, let's actually do it together. Open your terminal and type 3 little letters, pwd, then press Enter. That's it. No flags, no options, nothing scary. And look what comes back. /home/learner. That's your street address inside the computer, the full path of exactly where you're standing right now. 3 letters, pure win. So what does that funny-looking answer actually mean? Let's break it apart, piece by piece. That first slash on its own is the root, the very top of the file system, the trunk of the whole tree. Then home is the folder where everyone's personal space lives, and learner is your spot inside it, your stuff. Read it backwards like a street address. I'm in the learner folder, inside home, inside root. Every slash is just one level deeper. Now here's something reassuring about pwd. It's so simple, it barely has any options at all. Most commands come loaded with flags and switches, but pwd keeps things refreshingly bare. 99% of the time, you'll just type those 3 letters and that's it. There are 2 little variations, pwd-p, which shows the real path even if you took a shortcut to get there, and echo $pwd, which asks the same question a different way. But honestly, you can safely ignore both until you actually need them. So let's see pwd in a real situation. Picture Sarah. It's Tuesday morning, she's coming back to a project she started yesterday, and her brain is blank. Was she in the CSS folder, somewhere else? Instead of guessing, she just types pwd, and the terminal answers honestly, /home/learner/projects/website/css. She's exactly where she left off. Then she runs ls to see the files, and there they are, her CSS files waiting. pwd tells you where you are, ls tells you what's there. Together, they're the perfect little duo. Now, before we move on, there's one tiny trap worth knowing about. If you type pwd in capital letters, the terminal won't recognize it as the command, because Linux is case-sensitive. Lowercase pwd is the command. Uppercase pwd is something else entirely, a variable. So the rule is simple: stick to lowercase. Build that habit now, and you'll save yourself a whole lot of command not found headaches down the road. Now here's where things get fun. Commands in Linux are like good friends. They're even better together. pwd answers the question, where am I? But you'll often want a little more. Pair it with ls to see what's actually inside that folder. Pair it with cd to move somewhere new, or pair it with whoami to know who is where, handy on shared servers. 3 simple combos and suddenly the terminal starts to feel like home. And now it's your turn. Open up your terminal and try 3 quick things. They'll take 5 minutes total. First, just type pwd and hit Enter to see where you are. Then try it in uppercase pwd and watch Linux gently remind you that case matters. Finally, chain it together with pwe and ls to see your location and what's inside, all in one breath. Don't just read these, actually do them. That's where the learning sticks. And just like that, you've finished lesson no 1. You know what pwd does, why it's safe, why lowercase matters, and how it fits into the bigger picture. Next up is ls, pwd's natural partner. If pwd tells you where you are, ls shows you what's around you. Together, they're the most common 1-2 punch in all of Linux. I'll see you in Lessons 02.